Poznaj moc koloru z LED Max.
First, search for the Ledart app in the App Store to download and install it. After the installation is complete, open the Ledart app. For the first use, allow Ledart to obtain relevant permissions for the phone. Click Device, find Device. Enter the mobile phone Wi-Fi set interface. Find the Wi-Fi of the corresponding device and enter the password to connect. After the connection is complete, return to the device interface. You can now view the basic information of the device. Click Program to enter the program list interface. Click the New Display button. Click Add to enter the screen parameter interface. Confirm the display resolution, and click OK to create a new display. Enter the program editing interface. Click Add icon on the right to add a program. Ledart supports adding videos, pictures, texts, clocks, and other content. Here we will show adding video content. Click the Add Com button below. Select the video file you want to add. The program content area can be scaled and arranged freely. Ledart supports adding pictures, text, and other content to the video. Click the Add icon on the right again to add the text content. Set text content, font, size, animation, effects. After adding the program, click Send in the upper right corner. After the program is sent, it can be played on the display screen. How to implement multiply video loop in a single program. Click the plus sign below again in the program editing interface to add a video. Click Send. The video programs will be played in order after sending. If you need to send multiple programs at the same time, we need to return to the program list interface first. Click New Program. This time, we click the plus sign below to add two image material loops. Do not click Send after finish editing the program. Return to the program list interface. Select multiply programs to be sent. Click Send. Click Send to target device. Wait for the program to be sent and the program will be played in order.